Question 1. How many eyes does a spider have? A. 4 eyes, B. 6 eyes, C. 7 eyes, D. 8 eyes. D. 8 eyes is the correct answer. Question 2. Which country has no mosquito? A. Russia, B. Iceland, C. Norway, D. Finland. B. Iceland is the correct answer. Question 3. How long can a spider live without eating or drinking? A. 5 year, B. 6 year, C. 10 year, D. 15 year. C. 10 year is the correct answer. Question 4. Which animal dies after eating chocolate? A. Cat, B. Dog, C. Rat, D. Cow. B. Dog is the correct answer. Question 5. Which animal sees with their ears? A. Bat, B. Cat, C. Rat, D. Hare. A. Bat is the correct answer. Question 6. Which bird drinks water while flying in the air? A. Oriole bird, B. Cuckoo bird, C. Blackbird, D. Hummingbird. A. Oriole bird is the correct answer. Question 7. Which country people eat snake? A. Spain, B. China, C. France, D. Algeria. B. China is the correct answer. Question 8. Who is called the king of birds? A. Eagle, B. Dove, C. Swan, D. Crane. A. Eagle is the correct answer. Question 9. Which animal has 32 brains, 300 teeth? A. Earthworm, B. Snail, C. Leech, D. Crabs. C. Leech is the correct answer. Question 10. Which animal can see everything even with its closed eyes? A. Horse, B. Camel, C. Snake, D. Bears. B. Camel is the correct answer.